All right, so if you've got a newer model Volkswagen and you need to change the battery in your key like this, the battery you need is a CR 2025 battery. There are other videos that show that it's a CR 2032 that is incorrect. At least for this type of key, it's a 2025. All you need is a little screwdriver, and you can just dig into underneath the Volkswagen logo. Dig into it, and it should just, or actually, you don't even need a screwdriver. You can just pop it off. And there's the battery. As soon as you replace it, the key will start to work. You know by pushing the buttons. There's a second key here. You should see it light up like that. And if it's lighting up, that means it's working. Also, if you're going to change the battery in one of your keys and you have multiple, go ahead and just change them in both. You never know when these are going to go out. The car does not give you a warning that the battery is low. That's it.